Now, if your coffee pot is no longer working the way it used to, you might have mineral buildup inside your coffee pot, and it's going to need to be cleaned. The manufacturer has a procedure to be able to take all this and get it cleaned up. Not only can you see the buildup, but your coffee pot is not making coffee as fast as it used to. The first step is to get everything on the outside cleaned up. And it's also a good idea to clean off the carafe. Now you can use a cotton swab to get all the little details cleaned up. You can see with this cotton swab, it's really dirty. But the filter cup is clean. Okay, here's where it gets serious. 4 cups of white distilled vinegar. We're gonna pour this into the coffee pot, just as if you were making coffee. You can put a filter in there to make sure you catch all the debris. Just plug it in and run 3 out of the 4 cups, just like you normally would. So it's really pushing that hot vinegar through this machine. Now that you've run 3 cups of vinegar through the machine, let the last cup just sit. We're gonna let the last bit of vinegar sit inside the machine for a half an hour. Now that a half an hour's over, turn the coffee pot back on and let it run the last cup all the way through. Now we have done this procedure a few times on this coffee pot, and it does make a big difference. Now that all 4 cups of the vinegar have gone all the way through the machine, you want to take out the filter and we're going to run regular water through it. So we'll rinse out the vinegar. We're going to pour off all the vinegar in here into a jar, and we'll do this again in a couple of weeks, or probably longer than that. You can see the vinegar is still in pretty good shape. It's nice and clean. Now we'll rinse out all the vinegar with tap water, and then we'll put filtered water in. The filtered water keeps everything a little cleaner. Now run this pot of water through, and it's clean, ready for coffee after this. So here's an effective method for cleaning a Mr. Coffee coffee pot. And this method will work for just about any other coffee pot. Well, I really appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.